In today's video, I am going to teach you how to promote products on Getresponse. We will do this in two parts. First, you will create a landing page that features your product link. Then you will create a newsletter email that sends people to that landing page. This is a clean setup because it keeps your promotion organized and gives you one main page to drive traffic to. Start by logging into your Getresponse account. From the main menu, go to Tools, choose Landing Pages, and then click Create Landing Page. You will see a library of templates. Pick a template that fits the style of your product, or choose a blank template if you want to build from scratch. Once you have chosen one, click Edit to open the page builder. Inside the editor, look for a button on the page and click it. Buttons are important because they give your visitors a clear action to take. With the button selected, click the link icon. Paste in your product URL, then click Insert. Take a moment to make sure the link is correct, since this is what will send people to the product you are promoting. When you are ready, click Next. Review your landing page settings and details, then click Continue. Finally, click Publish to make the landing page live. After publishing, keep your landing page URL handy because you will use it in your email. Next, go back to Tools. This time, choose Email Marketing and click Create Newsletter. When prompted for how you want to create it, choose By Myself so you can design the message manually. Then click Design Message and select an email template that matches your brand or the promotion style you want. In the email editor, drag a button block into your email where you want your main call to action. Click that button and link it to your landing page URL. This way, when readers click, they go to your landing page first, and from there they can move on to the product link you added earlier. To finish, click Next. From here, you can send the message or publish it depending on your workflow in Getresponse. Before you finalize, do a quick review to ensure the button link points to the correct landing page. That covers everything you need to know.